Good morning, good morning. I am out on a bike ride today. It is nice, very nice. So far I've gone over 4 miles, looking at about 15 altogether today. Have a few things to do today, but yeah, it's gonna be fun. After I finish my ride, I'm gonna go spend some time with Chiharu and Iori. We're actually gonna go over to a friend's house who made Chiharu a birthday cake. Her name is Calorie, and so we're excited about that. Definitely my wife. So yeah, looking forward to a great day. All right, I'm at my second stop today. Making good time. I'm at 12 miles, a little over 12 miles, so that's good. So by the time I get home, I should have over 15, maybe close to 16 miles. So we'll see when I get there. I'll actually do a little clip on the vlog when I get back to the apartment. But yeah, I'm in Sedgwick County Park right now. The first clip I did that right on the side trail into the Swanson Park. You can't ride a bike over there, so I just kind of pulled over inside, kind of get away from the traffic from the road. Kind of what I'm doing here. But yeah, it's been a good ride. My legs feel good. The family took the weekend off last week not to ride, just because our legs, I want to give it a break. So I didn't do as many miles as I did the previous month, but I'm hoping I'll be close to 100 miles this month by the end of it, or over. I think June I did 103, 104, 105, something like that. The two previous months, like July and August, I did over 60, but I'm hoping that I can really push it. We're going hiking in the Rocky Mountains, which I've never been there before, so I'm looking forward to that. I got to make sure I'm in good shape for that, and definitely do this for my health, do it for my family, my friends. Just want to be in good shape, trying to eat better, you know, just all around try to attack this and do the right thing. Anyway, I'm gonna drink some more water and then I'll get back on the bike and see you when I get home. Whew, I made it. Yeah, 16.1 miles, so good ride today. I'm not sure how many calories. I'll have to calculate it in just a minute, which it does that for me. But man, what a good ride. Let me see if I can do it right now. So there we go, it's saving. It says I got one new record. Longest ride this year, 16.12 miles. Good anaerobic, 3.2. Aerobic, 3.6. It's pretty good. Just waiting for it to calculate. 1,001 calories, so good ride, good burn. Yeah, makes you feel good. Now eat something healthy, hydrate myself. Gonna get a shower, and then we're gonna do whatever Iori and Chiharu wants to do today. So catch you next time. Have a wonderful day.